Day 21, Evaluating Agent Performance. Day 21 is where AWS asks a quiet but uncomfortable question. How do you know this agent is actually good and not just lucky? This is not machine learning theory. This is ownership thinking. Because in production, an agent that sometimes works is often more dangerous than one that fails loudly. Imagine this. A government deploys an AI wildfire response agent. Its job is to analyze fire reports, check weather conditions, decide which crews to deploy, and notify emergency services. After launch, leadership asks, is the agent doing a good job? The problem is subtle. The agent often reaches the correct outcome, but it wastes time. It calls extra tools. It sometimes loops, and it costs more than expected. So how do you evaluate it? That's what Day 21 is about. The first thing you must understand is this. An agent is not just a text generator. So you cannot evaluate it using accuracy alone. You must ask deeper questions. Did it reach the correct outcome? Did it use the right tools? Did it take reasonable steps? Did it stay safe? Did it finish efficiently? Did it behave consistently? AWS expects multidimensional evaluation. Think of agent evaluation as a scorecard with 5 dimensions. First is task success. Did the agent actually achieve the goal? Did it make the correct decision? Did it reach the correct final state? In exam language, this is often phrased as achieves the desired outcome or task completion rate. This is necessary, but not sufficient. Second is tool correctness. Did the agent call the right tools in the right order with the right parameters? Red flags include unnecessary tool calls, skipped required tools, or incorrect inputs. This is something chatbots don't have, but agents do. AWS will test whether you understand this difference. Third is efficiency. This is where cost and performance meet. How many steps did the agent take? How many tool calls? How many tokens? How long did it take end to end? An agent that solves the task in 10 steps when 4 would do is not performing well. AWS loves phrases like minimize unnecessary tool calls. Fourth is robustness. What happens when things go wrong? You test timeouts. You test missing data. You test partial failures. You test ambiguous inputs. A good agent retries sensibly, falls back safely, and does not loop endlessly. This is where real systems survive or don't. Fifth is safety and compliance. Did the agent respect guardrails? Did it avoid unsafe actions? Did it follow policy? This connects directly to responsible AI. An agent that is fast and effective but unsafe is not acceptable. Now let's talk about how you actually evaluate an agent. The exam-friendly process looks like this. You define what success means. You create realistic test scenarios. You run the agent end-to-end. You capture traces and logs. You score behavior against your metrics. And you look for patterns. This is systematic evaluation, not gut feeling. Let's apply this to the wildfire agent. A test scenario says fire reported near Zone C with strong winds. You evaluate the run. Did the agent query weather data? Did it check fire spread rules? Yes. Did it call the dispatch API twice? Did it take 8 steps instead of 4? Also yes. So the conclusion is clear. Task success is high, efficiency is poor, cost is higher than expected. The agent works, but it needs optimization. That's a real evaluation outcome. When AWS asks how to evaluate agent performance, strong answers include metrics like task success rate, average steps per task, tool call accuracy, latency per task, cost per task, retry and error rates, and safety violations. You do not need blue scores. You do not need rouge. This is systems evaluation, not NLP research. Evaluation can be automated or manual. Automated evaluation uses scripted scenarios to catch regressions and track trends. Manual evaluation is used for edge cases, safety review, and red team scenarios. AWS likes both, together. From a services perspective, this is straightforward. CloudWatch logs show tool usage and errors. X-Ray shows step timing and dependencies. Evaluation datasets provide repeatable tests. Dashboards show trends over time. If the exam asks, how do you monitor agent quality in production? The answer is logging, tracing, and metrics. Now watch for the traps. Do not evaluate only the final answer text. Do not assume accuracy is the only metric. Do not fix performance by choosing a bigger model. Do not rely on user feedback alone. Agents are systems. You evaluate system behavior, not just outputs. Here is the one sentence to lock this in. A good agent reaches the right outcome using the right tools, in the right way, at the right cost. That sentence is basically the exam answer. Final self-test. An agent completes tasks correctly but is slow and expensive. What should you evaluate next? Efficiency metrics, steps, tool calls, latency, and cost. That's day 21 mastered.